Welcome. If you wanna find your downloaded files in your Doogee S50, for the first we have to go to the settings, and there is File Guru, so click on it, click allow 2 times, and we have to move to the local. There is the download folder. So just to show you that it works, I'm gonna open right now the Google Chrome, our browser, and download the picture. And let's move to the Google right now. We can type here Katy Perry, click on the graphic. We'll pick this one picture, so click, hold, tap on the download image, and now we have to go back to our File Guru, and right now we'll be in the local, so click on the download, and here it is, the Katy Perry picture. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.